I've been trying my best to peace the chance.
Uncle!
Did you ask Uzuma and Ife why they left their husband's house to come here and start dragging my inheritance with me? Are they mad?
You must give me my own share of our father's property. Bam! You will give us! You will give us! It's like you don't know that I am mad. I am mad! If you think you have Mercedes Benz running in your head, my own is private jet!
If you think you're stubborn, I'm equally stubborn.
Where are you coming from, eh?
Hey. Yes, if you deserve respect, you should know I deserve respect likewise.
Let me tell you something. Did you actually open this thing? That you come out to talk back at us? Are you crazy?
Did anyone ask you to leave your husband's houses? You're here dragging my inheritance with me.
I will scatter people, oh. Let this end, oh.
If you want peace in this house, I will have one portion of land to my name and give them one each. One.
Then I was telling you that I'm the man of the house.
Can go see how could you okay, man?
My kingsmen fell out with me because I came back with a car.
So you expect us to keep calm and accept it that our daughter, Norma, disappeared just boom.
We fought for her not to marry this useless man. Now you can see it, eh? My sister Bagona uncle, it will not happen. You must provide my sister.
I, Kenechukwu Nzekwe, swear before Odogwanya Mili that if I and my family have a hand in the disappearance of my wife, let Odogwanya Miri take his actions.
He cannot go scot-free, Mama. Kenechukwu and his family will go down.
I will beat you. Go home.
You will not do anything.
You can't finish what you have started.
I am going to create trouble that whenever people hear about this family, you say their house of mine.
There will be one.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.